Okay, what we're looking at here is to add or subtract these complex numbers. And I know they are complex numbers because they are taking the form a plus bi, where a is my real portion. So that's just going to be a real number like 9 and 11. And then these portions have an imaginary component like 5i and 2i. They're the imaginary pieces. So when I add or subtract, I'm really just combining my like terms. I'm going to put my real portions together. So in this case, my 9s and my 11s. And then my imaginary portions also get combined by following my rules of addition and adding like terms. So what happens here is I get 9 plus 11, and then I get 5i plus 2i. This is fairly straightforward. Everything's positive. Oh, I should put a plus sign right here because that's a little bit weird. So I end up here getting 9 and 11. That's 20. And then plus 5i plus 2i, that is 7i. That is in standard form, which means my real part comes first and then my imaginary part is second. And that is my final answer. That's all there is to it. On this next one here, I'm going to take a look at a very similar type of problem. The only thing that's happening here that's different is we are subtracting. So that will make a difference here when we have the subtraction between them. But other than that, it's really the same. I'm focusing on this 12 and then that 3. Those get combined like terms. And then my imaginary components, my 4i and my minus 7i. That minus is really important, so I highlighted it with it. So as I start to put them together, I'm going to have 12. And then I'm subtracting that 3. That is a minus 3 in here. And then I'm going to have a positive 4i. And I'm subtracting a minus 7i. So really that becomes 4i plus 7i. I'll do the 12 minus 3 first here. That's 9. And then this is plus 4i plus 7i. Right, minus and minus is plus. So I get 9 plus 11i. And that is my final answer there. It is a complex number in standard form, the real portion first, and then my imaginary. And that's it. It's my final answer. Hope that's helpful. Message me anytime with questions.